Fine. So this is the condition of my car after 2 days of snow. You can see the floor. We got lots of snow. Lots, like it's a lot. Now we have to start packing the snow from the car and cleaning all the mess. Welcome to Canada. So I just came back from the store and I said to clean my car because tomorrow morning is gonna be busy. Trust me, Monday mornings are crazy. With 3 kids, it's a lot of work to get them ready for school. So I decided to clean my car today so that I won't be running up and down tomorrow. Then I'm going to use my windscreen cover that I use with my hot car to cover it. You can see it's a lot of snow. It's a lot. Also, I'll be starting the car to make sure the battery is not dead. Because trust me, this car's battery runs down so fast. Maybe it's because it's a big car, I don't know. It runs down really fast. So, clean my car with snow. And welcome to Canada. As beautiful as the snow, trust me, I don't like it. Oh my goodness, my eyes. The snow just went into my eyes right now. As beautiful as the snow is looking, trust me, it's a lot of work. You pack snow, pack and pack endlessly during winter time. And there is no winter that it doesn't snow in Canada. If you live in Canada, you will know. No part of Canada that it doesn't snow. Everywhere snows. So I'm done with one side, but I've not done the back bit. Hi guys, sorry my hands are freezing, so I'm trying to pack this snow very fast so I can go inside. It's not necessary you pack the top anyways. I'm just trying to pack later to make the car a bit decent tomorrow morning. My hands are gone. Oh my god. I'm freezing. Thank God I'm almost done. I can't even feel anything. I need to hide it in my pocket for some minutes. I need to hide my hand. Finally, I can see my windscreen. Oh, way! It was covered with inches of snow a few minutes ago. Oh my goodness. Ouch. Oh. The thing just ate my hand. I'm done. Trust me. I can't cope anymore. I'm losing my hand. Try more. Let me just try a little bit more. Then, just gonna go. Look at it. It's frozen. See, guys, all the doors are frozen. I'm not sure I'm going to open this door tomorrow morning. If I didn't open it today. Wow, I can't even hold the key. So now I just need to put this. I need to put this inside the car. I decide to secure it like this. So I just put the little hand inside the door. Then I have to fix the other ones inside the door. So I just need to put the other one. You can see it. It's inside it. Like this. You just need to put it inside the car like this. Then you close the door. Okay? Ta-da! That's it. Then my car is secured. No parking of snow tomorrow morning. You can see, so you can buy this on Amazon. If I see the link, I will drop the link in my bio. You can check it out and buy it to save yourself from melting. Okay? Now, this is cool. Okay? I'm done. Now, so this is the cover that comes with the screen protector or something. What's it called? Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Kindly follow me, like my videos and share. I will do the same to you as well. Thank you. Bye. Now as I'm freezing, I need to go. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.